Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have an active VPN account and the correct client for your laptop. Download and run the installer, then grant admin rights so the app can modify network settings. Once done, open the client, sign in with your credentials, and locate the server list. Choose a nearby server for speed or a country-specific server for location access. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is stable before attempting to connect. Now you configure critical settings to balance speed and security. In the client, pick a protocol, WireGuard or OpenVPN, for faster or more compatible connections, respectively. Enable the kill switch to block traffic if the VPN drops and turn on DNS leak protection so queries don't expose you. If you need certain apps outside the VPN, set up split tunneling. Once configured, save preferences and run an initial connection test to confirm the tunnel establishes correctly and your IP changes. Finally, connect to your selected server and verify by checking your public IP and location. This proves traffic routes through the VPN. If the connection hangs or errors, switch protocol, pick another server, or restart the VPN client and your laptop. Make sure firewalls or antivirus software aren't blocking the client. Temporarily disable them to test, then re-enable after fixing rules. If problems persist, check provider status and contact support with logs. You now have a secure, working VPN on your laptop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.